Hi Professor Karen and my dear classmates, my name is Harpreet Kaur Virk and today is August 7, 2019 and this is week 6 of Bio 225 class, and this is the part 2 of the lab experiment, that is environmental influences on microbial growth, um, salt testing experiment and a torus experiment. And in this part 2 I'm going to use the 6 broad tubes, nutrient broad tubes, and I'm going to label it um, 5, 7 and 9. And this experiment is actually I'm going to observe the two microbes S. epidermidis and S. cerevisiae for the pH, that is if they grow more in alkaline or they grow in more acidic or they like the neutral environment. So I'm going to start my experiment now. So you can see my 6 tubes. So you can see this is for S. epidermidis and this is tube 5, in which I'm going to make it acidic by putting 1 drop of HCl. And this is the second tube for S. epidermidis and this is labeled as 9. So I'm going to put NaOH here, that is alkaline, and this one is neutral. So I label the tube as 7. So 7 will be the neutral pH, and so these are acidic, alkaline and neutral, and same thing with this. And so these are my culture tubes for S. epidermis and yeast, and these are my this is the hydrochloric acid and this is the sodium hydroxide. So first I'm going to take this. I cut this at 45-degree angle with the scissors and I got it ready. So this is hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to do this for yeast. This is labeled at 5, so I'm supposed to put HCl here, but first I need to sterilize it. So I'm going to double check it. So I'm going to make it acidic. So I'm going to sterilize it all over, and then I'm going to take my HCl here. So you can see HCl. I'm just going to put 1 drop here. Okay. And I'm going to again sterilize it. Close the lid. Keep it here. And in the same way I'm going to do for S. epidermidis. I'm going to put 1 drop of HCl here. Okay. And I'm going to again do that. Yeah. So I keep it here, and I'm going to demonstrate with this yeast, that is the acid. So I'm going to add, so this is my yeast culture. So I'm going to sterilize it. And then I'm going to take this for yeast, that is the acid. Sterilize it again. And I have my pipette here. Take out all the alcohol. Now I'm going to put in my culture broad tube, take out 2 drops here and inoculate this. Carefully going in. And I'm I'm going to put 2 drops here. One and 2, and this is I'm going to throw in the undiluted bleach solution, and before closing I'm going to sterilize it. Close it. And this culture tube too. Close it. So in the same way I'm going to do with S. epidermidis, and the same procedure I'm going to do with tube 9 and this for both the microbes, and I'm going to put 1 drop of this NaOH solution in it. So this way I'm going to incubate, and these tubes I'm not going to put anything except the culture, 2 drops here. So each has 2 drops of active culture. This is for S. epidermidis and this is for yeast, and I'm going to keep for 24 hours and see if there's any turbidity. That means the positive test, that means the tube having that turbidity means that the microbes, they grow well in that pH. If it's in 5, that means they like acidic environment. If it is in 9, that means they like alkaline environment. And if there is turbidity in these tube number 7, that means they are neutral. They don't grow well in acidic environment, neither in alkaline environment. So let's see and wait for 24 hours and see the results, and I'm excited for that. I can't wait to see the results, and that's it. Thank you very much.